Hi friends, this is 5 minutes YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can change screen timeout in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and click on display. Then click on screen timeout and default timeout here you are seeing is 30 seconds. So what will happen after 30 seconds of inactivity of my phone screen will be timed out. Okay, if you want to increase the screen timeout, just you can select from the available options. 1 minute is also available, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, up to 10 minutes is available. uh, Minimum is 15 seconds. I select 15 seconds and see what happens after 15 seconds of inactivity of my phone. Just wait. After 15 seconds, screen will be automatically timmed and it will be timed out. See here, blank screen is appeared now. If you want to set back to default screen timeout, select 30 seconds. So in this way, you can easily get desired screen timeout in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.